In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Acuity Scheduling, providing you with a step-by-step guide for 2025. Whether you're new to the service or just need a bit of guidance navigating through its payment process, you've come to the right place. Let's jump right into it. To begin with, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to acuityscheduling.com. This is the main portal for accessing all the services Acuity Scheduling offers, and from here, you can manage your scheduling, billing, and other account details. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll find the login option. Give that a click to proceed to the next step. Now, it's time to enter your login credentials. You'll need the email address and password associated with your Acuity Scheduling account. If you happen to forget your password, most services offer a reset option, so don't panic. A quick reset email will get you back on track. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. From your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Manage Billing section. This area of the site is where you can make adjustments to your subscription, update payment methods, and view past transactions. Look for a link that says Manage Billing, click on it, and this will take you to a more detailed billing page where you can handle all things related to your payments. Next, find and select the option labeled Billing. Clicking here will give you access to more specific financial settings and details. It's always a good idea to double check this page periodically to ensure all your payment and billing information is up to date. Once you've clicked into the billing settings, you'll see an option for change plan or upgrade. Here is where you can select the plan that best suits your needs. Take a moment to review the available plans and decide which one aligns with your current business requirements and budget. Once you've made your selection, click to choose that plan. You'll then be prompted to enter your business details and payment information. If you've updated your credit card or bank information recently, this is where you'll input those changes. Make sure you enter everything correctly to avoid any disruptions in your service. If your information is already saved, just ensure that it's current and accurate. Before finalizing anything, take a minute to review the charges one last time. It's an essential step to confirm that everything adds up as expected before you commit. Once you're confident everything looks good, go ahead and start your subscription or confirm your updates. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the payment process for Acuity Scheduling in 2025. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and that you feel more confident managing your Acuity account. For more tutorials and guides, be sure to check out our other videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time.